I'll be showing you how to access the waves effect or the waves filter on TikTok. So let's get started. Now this is basically a viral filter. So you could easily be able to find this filter by selecting the post option and selecting effects. Now upon selecting effects, you'll be greeted with quite a few under trending. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to identify the waves effect. Now it is this one with the orange icon. So it is currently added to my favorites. However, if you can't find this, you could simply search and search for waves. Now upon searching for waves, as you can see here, it is the top effect. So you could simply select and use this effect. Now if you can't find it there, what I'd recommend you to do is to go back to your home and select search and search for waves effect. Now as you can see here, the effect is shown at the top. You could access this by simply tapping on the waves effect, and also the sound which goes with the wave effect. As you can see here, Cumbia Buena, this is the sound which persons are actually using with this wave effect. Now let me tap on one of these videos to actually give you a preview of what this looks like. So basically you could select the waves effect from a person's video and simply tap on the waves effect above their name to be able to access this effect. As you can see here, use this effect button right here, and you could add it to your favorites and so on. So that is basically how to access the wave effect on TikTok. I'll post the link to this effect in the video's description, so you could check it out there. So if this video was helpful, please be sure to leave a like on the video. Thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.